Hey friends, welcome to the channel. Chef Matt here with I Want to Cook, and we're doing something new. We're doing a midweek quick tip. And for the first one, I'm gonna show you how to make a gremolata. And gremolata is one of those things that sounds really, really fancy, but actually is really easy. And all it is a parsley-based garnish with garlic and some lemon zest. It's traditionally served with osso buco, but it's actually so good you can use it as a topping for anything. So all you have to do is chop up some parsley really, really fine. This is Italian flat leaf parsley. Then we're gonna take this finely chopped parsley, put it all into a bowl. Then you're gonna take a clove of garlic, a zester, and just finely grate this garlic right into here. You can use a clove or two, whatever you like. That nice in there. I'm gonna use 2 cloves of garlic because I don't think I'm going on any dates tonight. Then finally take a lemon, and we are just going to use the zest of a lemon. Just as much as you want. I like a pretty generous amount because this gives it a nice brightness. Just like that. Finally, add a little bit of salt. Stir it up. And you have got gremolata, this wonderful topping that you can use for just about anything. You can also add olive oil, chili flakes to make it a little more liquid, but this is how to make a traditional gremolata. So whether you're making osso buco or just about anything, try this on top. I think you're gonna love it. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy cooking.